Hi guys, my name is Gilbert and welcome back to this HTML series. In this video, we are going to link our webpage with other web pages in HTML. But we didn't done that before? Well, yes. But now we'll have a look at some new cool features to the anchor tag. But before that, I just want to remind you to get your free coupon down in the description. It's only for the first 100 person and the coupon will expire in less than a month. The course is present in French and English, so feel free to choose. Now, what are these new features? Let's find out. Let's start with something called a relative reference. While looking to your web page, there isn't something interesting on its own, but this site in reality is linking a local website to another local website. In other words, a relative reference are used when websites include two or more web pages. We will add a normal anchor tag, and inside the href we will add the name of the file or web page. But before doing so, we will create a whole new web page like we did in one of our first web pages and call it linked.html. After creating that web page, we will add its simple HTML content and add a heading of level 1 tag with linked web page inside it. In our first web page and inside the href attribute, we will add the name of the new file or web page that we just created, and it was linked.html. In the world of web development, most websites aren't single pages at all, but in reality an interconnected group of web pages. That's why the relative reference is very useful when you want to link multiple pages in a page. Most of the code is really familiar. The only difference and surprising thing is that there is no protocol or another word like HTTPS port and no address at all, just the file name. So the relative reference will work by taking the directory of the current file or web page and search for another web page that is present in the same directory file with the name link. You can say that both pages are present in the same folder. If you have different web pages in different folder, you can do the same thing, but before the web page name, add its folder name / the website name. Take it as you are adding its address in the folder. So again, relative reference work well when you have a lot of interconnected web pages, and this will still work correctly when you move your pages to another server. Now they are on a local server, which is your computer. The second new feature is something special. We will open our email app from our browser. This is what I like to call referring to a mail. If you have noticed, in some web pages there is a mail address that says stuff like contact us and the mail address after it. And when clicking on that mail address, it will open directly the mail application with the mail written down so that you can directly add the content to send them a mail. Well, that's it. It is really easy to do this kind of thing. You will write the anchor or a tag like usual with the href attribute like normal. Now, instead of writing the URL in the href, we are going to write inside it the mail that you want to send to. For example, this is my mail. Now, before rushing and running, there is one more thing that is missing to tell your browser that we want to open the email app. And that is the mail to just before the email address. Also, don't forget the colon. So again, the value of href will start with the mail to and followed by the mail address. On the other side, the email link will look like any other link, but in reality, while clicking on it, the user email program will open a new mail and address it to the person specified in the link. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget your free coupon down in the description that will give you a lifetime access to my full HTML course. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn, and I'll see you on next Friday. Goodbye.